Hello friends, today we will learn letter A, capital A, small a. So let's begin. A is for apple with a juicy and red. Yeah, apple. A is for aeroplane flying high. Aeroplane. A is for ant. Hello, I am ant. I am very strong. A is for arrow, which goes straight and straight. Arrow. A is for apple, which spells A-P-P-L-E, apple. A is for aeroplane, which spells A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. A is for ant, which spells A-N-T, ant. A is for arrow, which spells A-R-R-O-W, arrow. So friends, don't forget to give a like, share and a subscribe. Stay tuned to learn more fun, exciting ways. Thanks for watching. See you soon.